Before installing the trigger, make sure to remove all support material from this area. Even a small leftover piece of support can block the trigger and prevent it from fitting or moving correctly. Align the trigger hole with the hole in the receiver so you can clearly see through it. Then insert a small piece of leftover filament as a pin and cut off the excess. Install the small spring into the matching slot on the shell elevator. Lightly heat the tip of the spring with a lighter before inserting it. This will melt it slightly into the plastic and keep it securely in place. This is probably the most difficult step of the assembly. You need to insert the second end of the spring into the matching slot inside the receiver. The problem is that there is not enough space for your fingers, so the easiest way is to push the spring in as far as you can with your finger, and then guide it into the slot by pressing it with a flat screwdriver or a small knife. It probably will not work on the first try, but don't get frustrated. After 2 or 3 attempts, the spring should snap into place. Please note that this filament pin goes all the way through both the magazine tube and the barrel, locking both parts securely in place. The same applies to the pin that holds the grip in place. It must pass all the way through the receiver post, even though it does not come out through the top surface, so the clean external look is preserved. The optional side saddle is attached just like many real shotgun shell cards, using self-adhesive Velcro-style strips. You can easily find them in office supply stores or home improvement stores. Black strips will look the best on this model. The real Nightstick has a strap on the forend. Of course, there is no need to 3D print this part. It is much better to use a real flexible strap. You can cut a small piece from an old bag strap, leather strap, or any suitable synthetic material. I added 2 small holes on the forend, so you can attach the strap with tiny screws, about 3 to 5 mm long, from old toys or small electronics. You can also use small pieces of wire instead.